Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn, and for today's topic, I'm going to update you regarding the global US visa fee increase on May 30 of 2023. The Department of State announced the fee increase in its website. Please take note of the specific visa fee increase for certain categories of non-immigrant visas. Let's talk about the fee increases for B1, B2, or tourist visas. If you're applying for a tourist visa, it will now be $185 US. Also will be affected are student and exchange visitor visas from $160 to $185. There is also an increase for petition-based non-immigrant visas for temporary workers from $190 to $205. For petition-based non-immigrant visas for temporary workers, the affected visas are H, L, O, P, Q, and R categories. So please take note when applying for these visas. However, other consular fees remain the same. For applicants who have already paid a visa application fee that is currently valid and non-expired, but who have not yet appeared for their visa interview or are waiting for their case to be processed, will not be charged any additional fees. All U.S. citizens traveling overseas are encouraged to register for a Smart Traveler Enrollment program to receive the most up-to-date travel advisories and also to receive emergency assistance while abroad. What is the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program? This is a free service to allow U.S. citizens and nationals traveling abroad or living abroad to enroll their trip with the nearest U.S. Embassy or consulate. Once enrolled, you will receive important information from the embassy or help the embassy contact you in an emergency or help your family and friends contact you in case of an emergency. All you have to do is to create an account. Please make sure to read the disclosure requirements. The first thing that you need to do is to fill out your account profile. For the account information, create your own username and password, select a security question, and provide answers. For the traveler information, you must provide your first name, last name, date of birth, citizenship, email address, phone number, and then your passport information. Lastly, you must provide your most current emergency contact information. So what if you have already paid your application visa fee? I received a lot of questions regarding the paid visa application fee. So if you have been unable to schedule an appointment, you may now have an opportunity to schedule or move up your appointment. So if you have made your MRV fee payment prior to October 1 of 2022, you must schedule your visa appointment or submit an interview waiver application before September 30 of 2023. Let me clarify, you're only required to schedule, not have the actual interview before September 30 of 2023. Now, let's talk about the current wait times for non-immigrant visas. Here's the latest global visa wait times. If the interview is required, it means it is for first-time applicants. For students, 22 calendar days. For HLOPQ workers, 17 calendar days. For CDC1D, 29 calendar days. And for interview required first-time B1, B2, 149 calendar days. For interview waiver categories, it is only 1 calendar day for renewals. Let's check the latest visa bulletin. Here's the June 2023 visa bulletin for family sponsored. Under Philippines, F1, April 22nd, 2015. For F2A, it's current. F2B, October 1st, 2013. F3, November 8, 2003. And F4, April 22nd, 2004. The only current category is F2A. If the category is current, all applicants may file applications regardless of priority date. Now, for all other categories, the priority date is earlier. Then you may assemble and submit the documents to the Visa Center or to the National Visa Center following receipt of notification from the National Visa Center containing detailed instructions. If you are applying for a non-immigrant visa, please take note that there are visa priorities. So here is the update regarding the visa priorities for non-immigrant visas. These are the priorities: students and exchange visitors. Second, temporary employees. The temporary employees can be categorized into H-1B, H-2B, and L visas. The other categories are renewal of B1, B2 eligible for interview waiver, meaning to say you must answer yes to all eligibility questions to be entitled for a no visa interview. Also, biometrics only appointment for applicants who receive their last visa prior to age 14. Let's talk about the rules for B1, B2 tourist visa applicants for 2023. If you're a first-time B1, B2 or tourist visa applicant, you can request for expedited appointment, but only if you have emergency travel needs. So follow the guidelines when booking an appointment. Please take note that you must book or must already have a regular appointment before requesting an expedited appointment. If you are a previous or current B1, B2 interview waiver applicant or planning to renew your tourist visa, there is no expedited appointment scheduling. So that means you're not qualified to submit expedited appointment requests. Also, for group appointments, for all non-immigrant visas, family groups are not eligible for group appointments. There are only certain activities for group appointments. Also, if you're a group of 10 or more applicants, such as a sports team, school group, or service organization, and you are traveling as a group, you can apply for the same purpose of travel, and you are encouraged to apply for a group appointment. So I'm going to send the link below in my description. Let's talk about the latest update regarding the no interview waiver for B1, B2 renewals or U.S. tourist visa renewals. The Secretary of State has made a determination extending the authority of consular officers to waive in-person interviews for certain non-immigrant visa categories through December 31 of 2023. Secretary of State Antony Blinken said that these interview waiver authorities have reduced visa appointment wait times at many embassies and consulates by freeing up in-person interview appointments for other applicants who require an interview. You must either have a prior visa that is still valid or has expired within the last 48 months or has expired within the last 4 years. So meaning to say, you can still apply for a renewal of your tourist visa without an interview if you are also eligible with the other requirements. Let's talk about expedited appointments for non-immigrant visas. For all of you who wanted to avail of the expedited non-immigrant visa appointments such as B1, B2 expedited appointments, there are qualifications that needed to be met in order for you to be granted this expedited service. So let me provide you the information when can you avail of this. So not every reason for an expedited appointment will be granted. There are specific conditions or situations where you can avail of this service. First, you needed to submit the online visa application form DS-160, pay the application fee, and schedule the first available interview appointment. Only at this point will a consular section consider your request for an expedited appointment. However, there are reasons that are not acceptable for an expedited appointment. First, attending weddings. Second, attending graduation ceremonies. Third, assisting pregnant relatives. Fourth, participating in annual business or academic or professional conference. And fifth, last-minute tourism. If you have any other questions or comments, please post them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Again, thank you guys for supporting my channel. And if you haven't liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I always welcome new subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. I hope everyone is staying safe and have a great day.